In this video, I am going to tell you 5 things that you shouldn't be doing on your mobile phone. Maintaining the battery life up to 20% is very important. If the battery percentage reduces below 20%, then your battery life and the battery capacity will be affected. So you should make sure that your battery percentage will not drop under 20%. Make sure it is above 20% every time you charge your mobile phone or use your mobile phone. Using the Clean Master app and the RAM booster and some of the other apps is very dangerous to your mobile phone. Because in my opinion, when you use these apps, these applications say that to install one another app and another app and another app. And when you install all these apps in your mobile phone, then your RAM and your processor and your battery life will be affected. Because if you just close the application also, in background these applications will run and consume your battery life and the processor power. So your battery will drain very fast in these cases and your processor will also be heated. So make sure to uninstall these apps or just don't use these kind of cleaning apps and the booster apps. Clearing RAM every time is also very dangerous to your mobile phone, because when you just clear the RAM every time, what happens is that, for example, if you use the YouTube app very much, you open the YouTube app now and if you remove it from the RAM and after 2 to 3 minutes again if you open the YouTube app, what will happen is the CPU pressure will be increased and the CPU will be overheating, because CPU perform multiple tasks to open that particular app as many times as possible. So if you do not clear the RAM and the next time when you open the YouTube app, as this app is stored in the RAM, it will be opened very fast and the CPU will not be overheated. And with this, the battery life also will be very effective. You should never give your phone to any third-party person. If at all, if you have given your smartphone to any third-party person, make sure that you lock these 3 main applications. One is the settings, and another one is the browser, and the last one is the Play Store. And also you can lock the social media apps like the WhatsApp, Facebook and any other application. What happens is that if any stranger wants to hack your phone, then they should install one application as a spy application into your mobile phone. So when you lock your Play Store and Google Chrome browser or any other browser, then they cannot install that spyware into your mobile phone. So with this, your phone will be more secure. You should also not root your mobile phone. Most of the people just try to root their mobile phones to install that mod games or to install any other third-party operating systems in their mobile phone. Rather than advantages, the disadvantages are more in these custom ROMs or when you root your mobile phone. First one is that the warranty will be not claimed by the manufacturer when you root your mobile phone. And the second thing is that security badge will be removed. That means that if you root your mobile phone, then the Android security system will not work on your mobile phone. So any person or any hacker can hack your mobile phone at any time if you root your mobile phone. If you find this very informative, drop us a like down below and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe to AkhilanTech YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell icon so that you'll be reminded every time I post a new video in my YouTube channel. And also don't forget to watch this video out there because it will be more interesting. And that's it for me today. See you next time.